শান্তনু বর্মন, শ্রেয়াস ত্রিপাঠী,
Present, sir.
সুচন্দ্রিমা দাস, ঐশিক বিশ্বাস,
Present, sir.
দেবমাল্য চ্যাটার্জি,
Present, sir.
রিতম সাউ,
Present, sir.
রণজিৎ দাস,
Present, sir.
কৃষ্ণা বর,
Yes, sir.
বিশাল মন্ডল, বিশাল মন্ডল, দীপ হালদার,
Present, sir.
সুমন আচারিয়া,
Present, sir.
সৌভিক প্রামাণিক, রামিজ আহমেদ সর্দার, রামিজ আহমেদ সর্দার, Now see, one thing is very difficult actually, cause 50% of the students are not here. So are they informed about the class? Are they sure about this particular fact that in case of a laboratory class, if they are absent, they are going to miss the corresponding marks of this particular experiment? Actually, in this way, it's very difficult to carry on with a laboratory class, being very frank with you. It is really very difficult to carry on a laboratory class with 50% attendance. I am not sure what to do. Who is the seer of this class? Okay. And you actually have communicated with me, that I know. But question is that, I mean, if you take the responsibility of the class, I have no problem of carry on. But in future, nobody should tell me that I was not informed or I did not know this particular thing and etc. etc. Then if you say I may carry on with the class, I have no problem in carrying on with the class. But question is that those 10 students are not going to get the marks for today's experiment, as this is a sessional class, and that is what I have to make sure. One thing I may say, you are present 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 students are present here and 10 are absent, right? As I am not sure whether they are informed or not, can each one of you just call one of them? If they agree that all right, it is absolutely okay, I will carry on with the class. I have no problem. I am giving you 10 minutes. Please try to contact them. I am showing you the corresponding presentation where this particular thing is there. You please try to contact them. This is the absent list. Each one of you can actually contact one. Then this
Hello?
particular thing can be
Hello, sir.
solved. Yes.
Sir, I am Somudeep Demodak. I am not absent. I am present in the class, sir.
Okay. Your roll number.
So 139.
Okay. Cholo done.
Thank you, sir.
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yes.
স্যার আমি না বিশাল মণ্ডল স্যার, একটু লেট হয়ে গেল স্যার এন্ট্রি করতে, একটু প্রেজেন্ট করে দেবেন প্লিজ।
Okay.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
স্যার আমি শান্তনু বর্মন বলছি স্যার। স্যার আমার একটু লেট হয়ে গেল
এতক্ষণ
স্যার
কি
জয়েন করতে।
করছিলে বাবা? তোমরা কি এতক্ষণ হাওয়া খাইতেছিলে?
স্যার মোবাইলে চার্জ ছিল না স্যার, অনেকক্ষণ ক্লাস করা হয়েছে তো আজকে।
হুম। সেই সেই।
এরপর থেকে রিপিট হবে না স্যার।
স্যার এর আগে একটা 4 ঘন্টার ক্লাস হয়েছে, সবারই নেট ফুরিয়ে গেছে হয়তো। এই কজনই আছে, আপনি স্টার্ট করে দিন।
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু প্রতিদিনই তো এই টাইমের আগে তাহলে 4 ঘন্টার ক্লাসই হবে। তাহলে বিষয়টা হচ্ছে হোয়াট টু ডু অ্যাবাউট দিস পার্টিকুলার থিং। নিজেদের তো সেই কথাটা আলোচনা করে আমায় ক্লাস টাইমটা জানাতে পারতে বাবা।
স্যার অলমোস্ট এরকমই জয়েন করে স্যার ইভেন স্টার।
আমার ঘটনাটা হচ্ছে থিওরি ক্লাস আর ল্যাব ক্লাসে তফাৎ আছে, এন্ড দ্যাট ইজ দ্য প্রবলেম। আমার কিছু আপত্তি নেই, দুটো এক্সপেরিমেন্ট না করলে 50 পাবে, তো তা নিয়ে যেন কথা না ওঠে, এটাই হচ্ছে মেন কথা। মানে এরকম রিকোয়েস্ট আমি এর আগেও রেখেছি যে একসঙ্গে ক্লাস হয়েছে, একটু আগেই বলেছে সৌভিক আমায় স্যার 3টে থেকে ক্লাস নিন, আমি সেটা করেছি। মানে ইটস ডিফিকাল্ট যে একটা ল্যাব ক্লাসে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স থাকবে 60%, ইটস রিয়েলি ডিফিকাল্ট। মানে তাহলে তোমাদের কারেসপন্ডিং আলোচনার জায়গাটা ঠিক করা উচিত, যে কতজন আমি করতে পারবো অর লাইক দিস, otherwise it's going to be difficult. They will obviously ask me this happened, I could not join, so I need to have this particular class again, and these sort of things will go on. And it is very difficult for the faculty member to carry on in this manner. মানে আমি তোমাদের বলিনি যে এই টাইমে, চাপিয়েও দেইনি, যদি জানতে আগে 4 ঘন্টার ক্লাস আছে তারপরে এই সমস্যাটা হতে পারে, দ্যাট শুড বি ইনফর্মড। আমার বক্তব্যটা এখানে কেমন?
আমাদের স্যার ইউজুয়ালি এরকম স্টুডেন্টই আছে, মানে ক্লাস ওইরকম আপনি শুরু করতে
হ্যাঁ,
পারেন।
বাট আমার কথা হচ্ছে যে মানে আর দে ওয়েল ইনফর্মড যে পার্টিকুলারলি ল্যাব ক্লাসের জন্য আর থিওরি ক্লাসের জন্য
Yes,
অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সের
it is
বিষয়টা
happening
আলাদা?
from the first sem, it's third sem, so everyone knows that.
ওকে, দেন অল রাইট। আচ্ছা, যাদের নামে অ্যাবসেন্ট লেখা আছে তার বাইরে কেউ কি এখানে আছে? অল রাইট, so it's all right, then I'm starting the class, I have no problem. Okay, let me start the recording. Our primary objective of any hydraulics lab, that is to make you identified with practical things, and as this particular class is on, we want to concentrate today on a very specific experiment, and we have the corresponding experiment videographies, and with that particular videography I used to provide this particular explanation of the class. And before coming to the videography, I should give you an idea that in offline mode how this class had been carrying on till this pandemic situation. Actually, till this particular moment, we used to have some laboratory sheets. We, the faculty members, we explain the experiment, the lab instructors, they carry on with the experiments. The results are taken in a single sheet. That particular sheet is actually given to all, and they accordingly take those data, they complete the sheet, do the graphs and all these things, and submit it with sample calculation and all these things. This is the way the thing actually goes on. Now, as far the videography is concerned, I have to provide you this particular videography, and before coming to that, I have to come to what is the experiment all about. And our today's experiment is about the metacentric height of a ship. Do you guys know what is metacentric height all about? তোমরা কি জানো metacentric height কাকে বলে? You do not know. All right. Let me explain you. You guys know that for a submerged body, যে বডিটা fully submerged, a body which is totally submerged under in some fluid, what are the forces that act?
Buoyant force
How many forces?
and
Yeah,
weight.
buoyant force.
One force and the weight.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. It's absolutely all right that buoyant force and the body, these two things are actually related. So, this is suppose your ship, the cross section of a ship, that can happen, na? And this is partly submerged. You see, this is partly submerged. So, if it is partly submerged, then obviously the center of gravity of the ship through which the weight actually acts downward, and the center of
কি স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করছেন?
স্ক্রিনটা, ও সরি, আমি প্রেজেন্টেশনটা বন্ধ করেছি।
আমি সেখানে
Okay,
এক্সেপ্ট
okay.
করে আবার জয়েন করে নিই।
No problem. Sorry. Now it's all right. So the buoyant
Yes.
force actually acts through the center of buoyancy, and the weight acts through the center of gravity. তাই তো? The
Yes,
weight
sir.
is always downward and buoyant force is always upward, right? Okay. So this is your weight, W. This is your buoyant force, F. And B is the center of buoyancy, G is the center of gravity. I think it is absolutely all right to you. Up to this, all of you know, right? Okay. So, what happens next is that you see, if this particular body would have been fully submerged, পুরোটা যদি submerged হতো, then would there have been any difference between G and B? তাদের মধ্যে কি কোনো গ্যাপ থাকতো?
নো স্যার।
No. Why? How the center of buoyancy is actually defined?
Sir, the center of gravity of the water displaced by the body.
Exactly. So the center of buoyancy B is nothing but the center of gravity of the displaced water volume. If it is fully submerged, the displaced water volume and the main volume are same. So G and B would have coincided. Up to this, you know. Okay. So suppose this is your boat seeing from the cross-sectional side, this is your boat, and all of you guys are on this particular boat. If all of you guys are actually on this particular boat and all are actually gossiping at the middle, the boat would be in this particular exactly upright position, isn't it? Now, suppose this particular boat is actually keeping you in the jungles of Sundarban, and suppose Shovik has come to this particular site and he has seen a tiger inside the jungle, and he actually called all of you. So all of you on a sudden from here started moving on the right in order to see the tiger. Then what will be the corresponding orientation of the boat? It will be tilted like this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now if it tilts like this, it is obvious now that the center of buoyancy which was here, where it was, let me give that particular thing that where it was. This is the new position of the center of buoyancy, right? But center of buoyancy was actually here. Kire, tai to?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was actually here. At this position it was. So the position of the buoyancy has changed. So let me say this is not B but B dash. I can say now that this is the changed position of the center of buoyancy, and let it be B dash. So as the position of the center of buoyancy changed, so also but the center of gravity position cannot change, right?
Yes, sir. It will remain in the same position.
So W and F, I'm not giving the names of W and F again, because it is very much customary that this orange one is W and the black one upward is F. They are right now not acting at a same line, isn't it? Eki line act korche ki ar? Are they collinear now? Their lines of actions are changed, right? Their lines of actions have been changed, right? What happens if two forces are
The topple হবে।
acting in, yeah, so that particular thing will actually give you a couple or a moment.
Yes, sir.
Very good. In which direction the moment would be? For this particular case,
And
Anti-clockwise.
this is the direction of the moment. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving you a totally different scenario. Just look at here. This is happening due to the fact that the center of buoyancy has moved in this way. Now I am giving you another way of doing this thing. Just see here. It might happen na, that the center of buoyancy that hasn't moved this farther এতখানি যায়নি হতে পারে, but it has just moved a bit. And it is actually acting through this line. Can it happen? আচ্ছা ছাড়ো, এটা দিয়ে হবে না, আমি আলাদা করে দেখাচ্ছি। It is acting through this line. Can it happen? I think it can happen, isn't it? It can happen, right?
Yes, sir.
I do not know how much the center of buoyancy would actually move. So it can happen that the center of buoyancy actually moved only this much. Obviously, there is still a movement between B and B dash, but the movement is not so much. So here your B dash will be very close to your B, and B dash will be somewhere here. I think it's
Hello,
clear from
sir.
Bolo?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. The CR asked me to tell you that I am present.
Okay, who are you?
I'm Aman Singh, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Shivam Mandal too.
So
Aman Kumar
47.
Singh. Okay. So this is all right for you? Yes or no? Now for this case, how will be the moment acting? What will be the direction of that particular moment? Will it be anti-clockwise?
Clockwise. Clockwise.
No, sir.
It will be clockwise, right? So the moment will be like this. Now see what is the point M. The point M is actually the intersection between the new buoyant force and the old line joining the B and G. That was the old buoyant force direction. So old buoyant force direction is actually through this dotted line, yes or no? Joining B and G, তাই তো রে নাকি?
Yes, sir.
And the new buoyant force is like this. So the intersection we call the metacenter. So in the second case, where the metacenter should be, at least it is not here. But where is the corresponding point? It is here, isn't it? It is here, isn't it? The old line and the new line, they intersect here, isn't it? So where is actually my G? My G is not here. It is actually a bit confusing. So I am keeping it away. G is actually here, and it is in the same position actually. And M is here. তাই তো রে নাকি?
Yes, sir.
So there are two conditions that can happen. We really do not know which condition we are going to face. For the first one, M is above G and there is an anti-clockwise moment, and for the next one, M is below G and there is a clockwise moment for this particular respect. And what do you think? Which condition will be better for you guys and which condition will be better for the tiger?
The left-hand side condition would be better for us.
So the middle one will be better for you and the final one will be better for the tiger, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the middle one we call that the meta center is above the center of gravity G and we are having a restoring couple. We are having a restoring couple that is actually saying that your particular thing is going to be restored to its original position, isn't it? And for the next one, just the opposite thing occurred. In this case, the boat will be totally toppled and all the persons will be in the water and the tiger will be very happy. But in this case, even it is tilted, it won't actually topple to water because this particular restoring couple will restrict it. Yes or no? And this particular height GM, that we call the metacentric height, and M is the metacenter. If M is above G, we say the metacentric height is positive and it is my favorable condition, and if M is below G, we say the metacentric height is negative and it is not my favorable condition at all. Got my point? I think you get it very easily, pretty easily. Now let me show you what is a lap sheet. How a lap sheet looks like. Metacentric height. Okay, let me show you that particular thing only. The metacentric height is actually given by, this is how a instruction sheet actually looks like. This is in soft copy and this is what we actually provide you. You have to make it here. Suppose the total weight of the ship is capital W, hote pare to, including you, including all of you. And suppose the weight of one of you is small w, hote pare.
Yes, sir.
Now, if one of you actually move by a distance x from the CG, এটা বুঝতে অসুবিধা হওয়ার কথা নয়, only one of you actually moves from here to here, হতে পারে। there will be a small tilt angle, তাই তো রে, হবে তো? That particular small tilt angle, if it is theta, then we say that our metacentric height is given by small w into x by capital W tan theta. What is x? X is the total displacement in this direction or in that direction. যদি এদিকে হয় it will be tilted here, যদি এদিকে হয় it will be tilted here. That is not an issue. Okay.
স্যার এক্সটা কি ওই সেন্টার অফ বয়েন্সি কতটা মুভ করলো?
এখান থেকে না 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 একটা পার্সেন্ট, a person moves how much?
আচ্ছা
এতখানি মুভ করলে যা টিল্ট হবে এইটুকু মুভ করলে নিশ্চয়ই তাই টিল্ট হবে না, রাইট?
ইয়েস
Got it? So x is the displacement of a single weight. Okay. So now let me show you how the experiment is going on. So what are the things I need to know? I need to know capital W, that is the total weight including all the small weights, that I can get, no problem. I need to get individual weight, that also we can do. I need to measure the angle and I need to measure the displacement. These two things I have to measure, right? And in this way the experiment is carrying out. Do দেখিয়ে দেই ভিডিওটা? It's a very small video. See, there is a boat. The video is are you seeing the boat? There are some weights at the CG. Now you see how we measure this particular angle. This particular small angle finder we use, where the red one is always at 0 if this one is not tilted. If there is any tilt here or here, it will show me the angle. Okay, it's very easy. The red one is always vertical. So if the platform is tilted, it will show the corresponding angle. Okay. So see, right now the angle is 0. Very good. All are gossiping. Now someone has moved this much. হতে পারে, আপত্তি নেই তো? Now what will happen to the angle? First of all, কতটা মুভমেন্ট হচ্ছে দেখা যাক। See, 125 millimeter or so, right? মোটামুটি ধরতে গেলে স্কেলটা দেখা গেছে তো? And what is the angle? In order to take the angle, actually there was a problem because from the front there was a problem in lighting, so the angle was taken just tilted, একটু tilted way তে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা নিতে হয়েছে। And sorry, what is the angle showing? It is showing you 3 degree.
Yes, sir.
But there is a 2-degree parallax error কারণ একটু অ্যাঙ্গেল থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে তো, so there is a 2-degree parallax error, that is why we have to deduct 2 degree, it is actually 1 degree. Okay, এটা ভিডিওর জন্য, সামনে থেকে দেখলে 1 degree লাগবে. So what is my first data? The total weight is given, the dry weight of the ship is 3.5 kg and each one of the particular weight is 100 gram. So total weight comes to 4 kg. And the first data is giving me that I have just shifted one weight of 100 gram or 0.1 kg to 125 millimeter and the angle of heel was 2 degree. একটু ভুল বলেছিলাম, ওটা বোধহয় 4 ডিগ্রি ছিল। খুব ভালো দেখতে আমিও পাইনি, টু বি ভেরি অনেস্ট। এটা কত দেখ, 4 ডিগ্রি হতেই পারে। সো দ্য ফার্স্ট অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ হিল ইজ 2 ডিগ্রি। ওকে, নাও লেট মি সি আর একটাকে সরালে কত হয়। So our lab instructor Pintu, he is actually moving another. And now you see what is the corresponding angle. You may see that visually it has tilted, right? And what is the angle? Now it's very clear that it is showing you 5 degree. তাই তো রে?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, so it is actually 3 degree. তাই তো? In this way all the things are, you see the total video. I have no problem in showing you. You may see that the angle of tilt is increasing. Now it's almost 7 degree. So actually 5 degree. আর একটা দেওয়া হলো, ভিজুয়ালিও বোঝা যাচ্ছে it is tilted. Now it's almost 9 degree, so actually 7 degree. আর একজনই আছে বাঘ দেখতে যেতে বাকি, সেও কি আর যাবে না? সেও গেল, একটু ভিড় হয়ে গেছে, তাও গেল। It is pretty tilted right now and it is almost 11 degree, so actually 9 degree. Okay, so all these data I should take. This is our actual thing. ওখানে 135 কেন লিখেছিল আমি সত্যিই জানি না, but it is 125 millimeter, but the angles are correct, 2 degree to 9 degree, and accordingly I have written here in your particular thing. So this is the thing you are having, right? These are the readings taken at the time of experiment. তাই তো রে? So what you want to have, you need to calculate the metacentric height. You have to plot accordingly, and you may see that you are not actually having the metacentric height for 0 degree, na? But for 0 degree I cannot have it, because for 0 degree this particular equation is not valid. Tan 0 is 0, na? So how can I actually get it? I can actually plot for 2 degree to 9 degree and I can extrude the plot, and using extrapolation I can actually predict what can be the metacentric height at theta equal to 0 degree. Okay, you can fill this particular thing up. I will share you this particular document. One thing you have to show, you may show here in this particular what file also, you have to show one sample calculation and you have to give the graph. The graph you can plot in Excel, I have no problem. In Excel also you can extrude, there are options. and you get the value of metacentric height for theta equal to 0 degree. If you want, you can plot this graph by hand in hard copy, get a picture and include here. This is what you need to do and submit here. কথাটা বোঝা গেছে? আরেকবার বলবো।
Sir, we have to write in what format?
In this particular Microsoft Word, no problem. এটা দিয়ে দেবো বলেছি।
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any question for this experiment? This is what all you need to do, and just show one sample calculation. Okay. আমি বলেছি গ্রাফটা এক্সেল থেকে প্লট করে এখানে ভরে দিতে পারো। I have no problem. You have to show that at theta equal to 0 what is the value of GM. সেটা বলতে হবে, গ্রাফে লিখে দিতে পারো, আমার আপত্তি নেই। And যদি কেউ চায়, if anybody wants, they can actually do it by hand also and get a picture and include here. I think that is also very easy. So whatever, in whatever way you want to submit, you can. I have no problem. Just you need to make it and submit. Okay. Here in this particular thing, these particular figures are shown. How to make it anything, all these things are shown. Okay. So is there any question regarding today's experiment? Otherwise, I can stop the recording. Okay, should I stop the recording?
Okay, sir.
You will get the recording in your Google Drive shortly. Okay. So let us end today.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.